comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. But if you're seated in the exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets to make sure you have all of your belongings. Please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, we'll be handing you off to our airport team, and they'll be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel 1. Once again, that is baggage carousel number 1. Your feedback is really important to us, so some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd love to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. From all of us at United and your Washington, D.C. based crew, we've enjoyed having you in the friendly skies. It's been our pleasure serving you, and we look forward to seeing you again on another United flight. Once fastened seatbelt sign is turned on, please stay clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. Thanks again, and happy holidays.